Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to another video in this series. So in this video, I'm going to cover, let's say you create your own rag or own composition. If you want to share with somebody else, assuming they have the same application. So if you want to share with them, how to do it. So let me just go back. So I'll go to the files. So let's say I have this composition shared in a GSK format. So GSK is a GurShabadKeertan notation format. It's a human readable format. So if you let's say tap it and then say share, and when you share, so let's say if I airdrop to somebody else, the receiver, they'll see the similar option. So you'll see this application here as an application which can handle this kind of document. So then you tap. So when you tap, you'll see this kind of UI. It says on the top, importing composition. If you tap cross on the top right, it won't do anything. But if you tap tick, so before tapping the tick button, so you can see that this composition is Parvam Dayal Sagar Tarya, and it actually puts imported as a suffix. You can see the duration, tempo, speed, rag, bilawal. So then when I say tick, looks good to me, and then I say tick, and then it goes. Now it doesn't open automatically, the notation where it lands. But then the simple way to figure out is go to all melodies, and then if you see the drop down showing modified and in the descending order, so you will see that the notation is imported 47 seconds ago. So you can tap and then play. So this is how you import. Then you can go. So if you buy the Pro bundle, you can go and edit, and then you can say, basically you can change the title, and you can do whatever. You can change the speed, and basically you can just edit just like any other. So this is how you import. So let's say now you want to share with somebody else after you made some modifications. So you just tap these three dots and then share. So you can just share with somebody else using the options. That's all. See you in the next video. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.